Today I'm reviewing and comparing two of the best-selling budget-friendly air fryers under $50. One is Elite Gourmet 2.1 quart, priced at $35.99, and the other one brand is Dash Compact Air Fryer, priced at $49.99. They are close in size, however, the Dash Air Fryer is a few inches taller. They share same features and come in different colors. So these are just right out of the box. I have the Elite in mint color. Here are the temperature and the timer control settings. Here's the basket with the tray, non-stick tray, 2.1 quarts capacity, and owner's manual with comprehensive instructions on operation and maintenance. Other features: quick reference guide for ideal cooking times and temperatures for various foods such as fish, chicken, and steaks. Now comparing side by side, Dash Air Fryer stands about a couple of inches higher as I mentioned. Now here, timer and temperature settings, very similar. We have the 2-quart basket with non-stick tray, very similar to the Elite Air Fryer. The Dash unit owner's manual, you'll find it is inside this red envelope, very nicely packaged. It provides comprehensive usage, do's and don'ts, care instructions, and explaining different features and everything else you need to know to operate the air fryer. And then additionally, it includes a valuable recipe guide, something to get you started. Yeah, there's some good recipes in there. Check it out. Now, while both units are good quality, the Elite model is more space efficient, as you can see. Now it's time to put them into the test and see if they perform equally well. We'll cook two identical deep dish pizzas, one in each air fryer. Both air fryer will be set to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to set the timer for 10 minutes. The cooking process will begin immediately after setting the timer. You may be able to hear it. You can also see the indicator lights to monitor the cooking process. After 10 minutes, our pizzas are ready. They look fantastic, smell delicious in 10 minutes. Okay, now let's plate them and dig in. And as a final note, both air fryers, baskets, and trays were incredibly easy to clean. So which one would I choose? Honestly, you can't go wrong with either option. Both air fryers deliver excellent results and are incredibly budget friendly. If budget is a primary concern, then Elite Gourmet is a fantastic choice. It offers great value for its $36 price tag. However, I'm quite fond of the Dash Compact Air Fryer, especially considering the included recipe book. It's a fantastic deal and it's just under $50. The only drawbacks of these two air fryers is the smaller capacity, which is best suited for a single serving or a small batches. However, they excel in many other areas. Ultimately, if I had to choose, I would probably lean towards the Elite Gourmet for its lower price point and the compact design and the color which matches my kitchen decor. Keep in mind that these prices are current as of Black Friday of November 2024, which I'm recording this video, and may fluctuate in the future. I'm going to leave the links to these air fryers down below the description, so check them out while the prices last. This video was not sponsored by any of the brands featured. I hope you enjoyed this honest review of the air fryers. Let me know if you have any questions or if you would like to see more reviews like this one. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.